Tuluyan ang tinanggal ng Kamara sa kanilang hanay si Negros Oriental Representative Arnie Teves. Ang basihan ng desisyon na yan, alamin sa pagtutok ni Mark Salazar.
Sa botong 265 na yes, 0 negative vote at 3 abstention, expulsion ang desisyon at tuluyan ng tinanggal ng House of Representatives si Negros Oriental 3rd District Representative Arnolfo Teves sa kanilang hanay. Sa plenaryo kanina, inilatag ng komite ang 3 dahilan kung bakit nirerekomenda nila ang expulsion ni Teves.
Number 1, his ongoing persistent pursuit of his application for political asylum in the country of Timor-Leste. Number 2, his continuous absence without leave in the House of Representatives in violation of our House rules. And number 3, his indecent behavior portrayed in social media which reflects discredit in the House of Representatives and diminishes the stature of the position. By a unanimous vote of its members, recommends to the House of Representatives the imposition of the penalty of expulsion from the House of Representatives upon Arnolfo Arnie Teves Jr.
Nasa orihinal na committee report daw ng Ethics Committee ang taguri bilang terorista ng Anti-Terrorism Council kay Teves kung bakit dapat siyang tanggalin sa Kamara. Pero nawala na ito sa 3 basihang inilatag sa plenaryo. Paglilinaw ng ilang kongresista, hindi pwedeng maging basihan para matanggal ang sino man sa kanila nang dahil lang nabansag ang isang terorista.
May we inquire from the Honorable Chairman that the mere designation by the Anti-Terrorism Council of a member of this House without any other ground, will that be considered as a ground of expulsion?
We just act on our recommendation for the disorderly behavior and for violation of the Code of Conduct, and a mere designation is not the basis of our recommendation.
Ipinag-utos sa House Secretary General na ipaalam na sa lahat ng ahensya ng gobyerno ang pagkakatanggal kay Teves sa Kamara. Hinihinga namin ng reaksyon si Teves at ang kanyang abogado. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Mark Salazar, nakatutok 24 oras.
Mga kapuso, samahan nyo kaming tumutok 24 oras. Bisitahin at mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube. Sa mga kapuso abroad, bisitahin ang GMA Pinoy TV at www.gmanews.tv.